Hey guys, Jeff Discher, real estate broker with the Discher Group at Douglas Elliman, and today I want to talk about something buzzing around, something we're hearing our buyers talk about and starting to mention, which is, should I wait? Should I wait to buy? Is the market going to go down? What's going to happen? I want more inventory. Should I wait to buy? I've been selling real estate since 2004, and I remember this same conversation that was happening. We did see a crazy market shift back in the day. We saw everybody lose 40-50% of their property. We're in a different market though. I've talked about it before in other videos. We are in a market where 80-90% of the loans are 30-year fixed principal interest. So most of the people, unless you lose your job, they're gonna probably hold on to their homes. And even if the market goes down, they afford that payment, they can stay in it long term. Not the topic of the video. The topic of the video is, should I wait? And what I tell people right now is we don't know if is it gonna crash? We don't know. Is it gonna soften 10%? Is it gonna correct 20%? Is it gonna crash 30-40%? We don't know. We never know. The indicators don't show it. That the supply and the demand are very strong still, but we never know. It could take a dump tomorrow. It could take a dump in 10 years. It may never ever again. It may just continue to build. But based off history, we've always seen it go like this. So when people ask me that question, what do I say? My question is, what I would suggest is that you talk to a lender today, see exactly what you're approved for, and go out and start looking. If you can find something that you can afford the payment, that's what you're truly buying, is that payment, unless you're looking to flip it or invest it. If you're looking for a place to live, find a place, get approved, look at everything in that price point that you like, that you will live in, and see what's available. Now, if it's all about just finding a place you like, maybe you don't find a place, maybe you go rent. But if you want to get into the game, into the investment game, start building that nest egg, and you want to be a property owner, and maybe use that first property as a stepping stone to the bigger one, then get into the game. You might not get everything you want in the first house, but get into it, start now, because what we don't know is what's going to happen in the future. What we do know is what's happening today, which we know, yeah, you could say prices are aggressive, but rates are low, demand is high, supply is low, so it's still a market that is percolating with buyers. So that's my answer. I don't tell people, oh wait, what if we wait and it goes up another 20%? There's been people having that same conversation, buyers saying the same thing for the last 2-3 years, waiting for it to drop, and it's went up, what, 30-40%. So again, I do not have a crystal ball, and anyone that says they do and can tell you the future of real estate, when it's gonna dip or crash or go up or whatever, they're lying. Nobody can tell that. Nobody's ever been able to tell that. So we will start seeing indicators of anything that's gonna make a correction, and I haven't seen them yet. If you have, let me know. Other than that, if you're considering thinking of buying today or waiting, again, take my advice. Get approved today, see what you can afford, use it as a stepping stone to your next property. Don't get priced out of the market, guys. If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me, social media. I sell real estate. That's my Instagram, Facebook, Jeff Discher, and YouTube, Jeff Discher. See you guys next time.